Okay, guys, I just want to go over how to mark a soil test. So I'm just going to go find my field here, go to my map. Uh, okay, I'm going to start fresh here. So I've got my field up that I want to sample. What I'm going to go is to the tractor level and just hit add and hit a test grid. So it's going to bring up this familiar box. Before, we had all these and we'd have to either delete them all or try to slide this out, so we only had two or three. AgWorks changed the coding so that we can just say how many points we want. So if you click in the point count one, and then let's say I only wanted one, or two, or 10, I could get whatever I wanted. I'm just going to start out with one, show you how this goes. Once you've hit OK in that box and you're in test mode, you can move these around. So I'll put one there, one there, one there, one there. Then you just right click on it and save, and they're going to disappear, which can cause some guys to a little bit of stress. What it's actually doing is saving this over here, so you can see that under test grids now we have a grid that's saved. Put a check or put an eyeball in that box, you can see it comes back up. The other thing you can do now is right click on that or rename it. So if you wanted to say spring soil test, it will drop that in there and with the date behind it. Now if you have something that you want to go back to, that's pretty easy too. You just got to start correctly. So what you want to do is first go and add another grid, so you can do it from the field level or you can do it from the test grid level and just add a test grid. Same thing. Okay, you got all these you need to get rid of. Just point count. And again, I'm just going to put a point in there. Once I'm in there, I can bring up the soil tests I want to go find, see that they show up, and then you can just start moving your points. If you get this error, basically what it's doing is it's asking you if you reset the grid, which we don't ever want to do. Basically, it is I want to start over. If you've got more than one point in the field, like say I had chosen to only have one point in that field, if you drop more than one point, it's asking you why are you doing that. You don't have to reset, so if you want to just hit no, it'll just let you back into your soil test, and you can just drop another one. Okay. Same thing there. Same thing there. So once I've got that where I want it, just right click, save. Again, it goes away, but you can see it's also right there with the other one. And that's really all there is to it. The only thing I could say is before you head to the field, make sure your GPS is working. There's another video that will help you with that process, but it's easier to do that. If you got problems, give us a call when you're at the branch rather than try to do it on the field. So I would definitely do that before I went to the field. Other than that, if you got any questions on this process, give me a call. Talk to you later. Thanks.